So, yep, she's here. Atisa Manalo. Back.
Round two.
This is your second time.
I'm a second.
Second time you joined Miss Universe, right? So, okay. So, what decision process did you have to be when you decided you wanted to give it another shot?
Actually, I took the vacancy of the representative of Quezon Province as the sign.
Okay.
So after, even when Quezon Province was vacated, I was thinking, oh, okay, sige, sayang naman wala kaming representative. And then they announced that it's in Thailand. Sabi ko, ay, parang gusto ata ako ng mga taga-Thailand. Sabi ko, yung beauty ko parang patok ata. And then after, someone tagged me in a photo na salon sa Thailand and my face was there. Sabi ko, ay, parang sign to talaga. Sabi ko, I was given sign. So, I was thinking, wala rin naman ako masyadong gagawin. I don't have any big projects coming up. So I said, why not give it another shot?
We use a lot of energy.
Yes.
Be able, to join a party, but as you know, right?
It
so
is,
you got it. You got yourself.
Yeah, I'm rested. I'm
full
game.
battery.
Yes, I'm game again. Rested na ako after.
Okay, so what will you do different now, maybe?
I think I won't overthink things. I was too particular about everything before, like even the smallest details, like how will my makeup look, if it's imperfect, I'm gonna edit it. This time I think I'm gonna let go a little bit more, like just relax and enjoy.
Yeah, enjoy lang. Now, with the new winner, Victoria, di ba? So, yeah, Victoria. So, what do you think the Miss Universe is looking for this year?
I think you're always looking for the same things, empowered women, a woman who represents their community or the place they're from, or someone who actually has a heart for like the causes they believe in. So yeah, I think that's still what they're looking for.
And how are you better this time, aside from being more chill?
I don't know, Miss D, we're gonna find out.
You joined Miss Cosmo. You have your,
I
you have your
did.
whole team behind
Of
you
course,
again?
always.
The same, or
always.
you have...
Yeah, most people are the same. Yeah.
Well, message to your fans who can confirm that you actually...
Oh, round two. I hope you still support me. I always feel your love and support, and it's amazing that it's been unwavering, even though how many years has passed since I did my first national pageant. I'm really thankful, and let's enjoy this journey this time, and we'll see what happens. Let's hope for the best.